All rise. Judge Barbie presiding. All rise. You may be seated. Judge, the first case on the docket is Barbie versus Christine Silver. Judge, it's a case of Barbie abuse. Shocking. Court is now in session.
Prosecutor Barbie, please make your fabulous opening statement. Ladies of the jury, the accused, Christine Silver, is on trial for Barbie abuse. I will prove beyond a shadow of a doubt that she is guilty. Christine has blamed Barbie for years for her lack of social skills. She has played inappropriately with Barbies. She has made fun of Barbies in her monologues. Thank you so much.
Counsel for the defense.
Please make your statement.
Ladies of the jury, my client, Christine Silver, is not guilty. I will show that her relationship with Barbie is actually therapeutic, not abusive. Why, she even rescued 12 Barbies from a garage sale. Enough for a jury. Oinky-dink, I think not. Christine is not a barbarian. She is a humanitarian. Thank you.
Prosecutor Barbie, please call your first witness. Your Honor, I call Barbie.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do!
Barbie, where were you on the afternoon of August 18th, 1967?
In a closet in Scottsdale, Arizona.
What were you doing in a closet?
I was being played with at the time.
Really? Tell us more.
Well, actually, it was terrible. Christine made me say horrible things to another Barbie who happened to be there at the time. She made me say, "Ken and I don't like you very much, Barbie," in a really high, stupid voice, and it wasn't even true.
Your witness for cross-examination. Barbie, what were you wearing at the time of the incident?
Well, it was the 1960s, so I believe it was the gold lemonade cocktail frock.
Thank you. No further questions.
You may step down.
Prosecutor Barbie, please call your next witness. Your Honor, I call Skipper. Skipper, where were you on the afternoon of October 9, 2010?
I was on the stage at the Broadway Playhouse in Santa Cruz.
Starring in a play?
How fabulous! We girls are so talented. No, it was terrible. Christine made me appear on stage naked and bloody like this to make some dumb point about how nobody told her about starting her period. It was awful. I was so embarrassed.
Your witness. Skipper, what's going on with your shoes?
Well, I actually didn't have any that went with this outfit.
Thank you. No further questions.
You may step down.
Prosecutor Barbie, please call your last witness. Your Honor, I call Ken. Ken, darling, where were you on the morning of July 9, 1966?
In a shoebox.
What were you doing in a shoebox?
It's not polite to speak of such things in public.
Ken, answer the question or I will hold you in contempt, darling.
You're still mad because we broke up, aren't you?
I can't believe he said that.
Order in the court! Answer the question! All right, well, the truth is, I was having sex with Barbie in the shoebox!
Oh my God, can you believe he said such a thing? Oh, mercy.
Order in the court! Order in the court!
Ken, darling, was this consensual sex? but I don't have a penis, so it was kind of awkward. No penis, no sex! Your Honor, I submit a writ of habeas corpus. No, habeas penius. No, something like that, I don't know. I call Christine Silver to the stand. Ooh, ah. The truth is, I have tried to be like Barbie for a long time, and it's hard, because I'm short, curvy, and I got no Ken. But here's what I have that Barbie doesn't have. A brain, a successful business, and a vagina!
Oh my God, can you believe she said that? What a bitch! Don't say bitch, you can. I object, you can't object. The lawyers have to order in the court, order in the court. This is right. Can you believe she's what? Oh my God, I can't. And all we've done for her. Christine, that wasn't very helpful. I thought you were going to say something nice. Order in the court. I will clear the courtroom. I can't believe she said that. After all we've done for her, to put up with her crap.
All right, that's it. Bailiff, clear the courtroom. Ladies of the jury, you've heard the accusations, the testimony, and the defense. Your job is to deliberate and render your verdict. Whether you find Christine Silver guilty or not guilty, it must be unanimous. And remember, you must separate the facts from the fancy. Good luck.
Fancy? She is fancy, don't you think? I know, and the diamond on her brooch, on her judge robe, just fabulous. I think we're supposed to talk about the trial. What's a verdict? Well, speaking of dicks, can you believe Ken said that?
The defendant did not say very much.
She doesn't have to. She doesn't have to say anything if she doesn't want to. The burden of proof is on the Constitution. On the prosecution, something like that. The Fifth Amendment.
How do you know about the Fifth Amendment?
I don't know, it's just like things come out of my mouth that I didn't even have to think of. I thought it was the Ten Commandments. Commandments, whatever, I want to go ice skating. I don't know what to believe. Maybe she's guilty, maybe she isn't. Deliberating is hard.
I didn't like the outfit that the defendant was wearing.
Why does she have to wear those dorky elf shoes?
Dude, the prosecutor had hot shoes. I totally could have been a doctor if I wanted to. But the nurse shoes are way cuter. Dude, I wouldn't want to be a doctor or a lawyer. You have to be really smart for that.
Why, we girls can do anything.
Cool, then let's go shopping.
We can't. We have to stay here and deliberate. Hey, maybe we should vote. Who thinks we should vote? I saw a movie about a jury that voted. They wrote their answers down on little pieces of paper. Who has a pen? Who thinks she's guilty?
I've lived with the defendant for years, and she is so complicated. Always asking, who am I? Why am I here? What's my purpose? Why would anyone need to ask that? Isn't it enough to be beautiful and have good clothes?
I know! And she's always worried about her hair!
Well, at least she has her priorities straight. Why do you want a pen anyway?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Well, you can't hold a pen. You can't even hold your own tennis racket. It had to be glued on.
OMG! You're right! Who did that?
There are too many unanswered questions. Like what? Like how did you get your hair to do that? In a monologue, Christine called herself the Barbie lady. Isn't that ironic? You know, it is like she is right here with us in a way. Isn't that weird? Girls, hurry up. I have a date with Ken. Maybe that's a conflict of interest. Perhaps I should recuse myself. No, never mind. What's the verdict? Your Honor, we, the jury, find Christine Silver guilty as charged!